Struggling to create a logo for your Hostinger site? No design skills? I will show you how to use the built-in AI logo maker in under 5 minutes. It is way easier than you think. First, we will access the AI logo maker from your dashboard. Then, we will input your brand details. Finally, we will generate and customize your logo. No software to download, and no design experience needed. Alright, let us jump right in. Start by navigating to your Hostinger dashboard. This is the main control panel for your website. You will see an option that says Blog or Hostinger Website Builder. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your site management tools live. Once you are in the builder, look for a small icon that looks like a magic wand. It is labeled Auto_Awesome. This is the shortcut to all of Hostinger's AI tools. Click on that magic wand icon. A menu will pop up. From that menu, select AI Logo Maker. This is the dedicated tool for generating logos, and it is completely built into your Hostinger account. Now let us describe your brand. You will see a button that says Tell me about your brand. Click on that. This is where the AI starts to understand what you do. Next, click on Brand Name. Type in the name of your business or website. This is the name that will appear on your logo. Make sure you spell it correctly here, because the AI will use this as the foundation. Then click on Highlight. This is your tagline or a short phrase that describes what you do. For example, if you are a coffee shop, you might put Fresh Roasted Daily. It is optional, but it adds a lot of personality. Now click on Vibe. This is where you pick the mood of your brand. You will see options like modern, playful, luxury, minimalist, and more. Choose the one that feels right for your business. Do not overthink it, you can always change it later. Then click on Logo Type. You will see different layouts like a symbol with text, or just an icon. Pick the style that best represents your brand. Next, click on Colors. Select your brand colors. You can pick from the presets or choose your own. This is a great way to make sure your logo matches the rest of your website. Finally, click on Tell me about your brand one more time. This might seem like a repeat, but this is where you add more detail. Describe what you do, who your customers are, and any specific images or symbols you want in your logo. The more detail you provide here, the better the AI will perform. It might take a moment to process because it is generating several options for you. And here is the really important part. After the AI generates your logos, you can click on any of them to customize further. You can change the font, move elements around, and even adjust the colors. This is where you truly make it your own. So there you have it. From a blank site to a custom AI-generated logo in just a few minutes. No design skills, no expensive software, just you and the Hostinger AI Logo Maker. Go ahead and try it out for yourself.